Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Gather 8 slices of bacon, 1 lb ground pork, 1 cup breadcrumbs, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, and 1 tsp black pepper for the filling. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F and line a 12-inch baking sheet with foil or parchment for easy cleanup. Mix the meat, breadcrumbs, egg, sugar, and pepper until combined but not overworked. Shape into a 10-inch log on plastic wrap. Chill the bacon and pork mixture for 15 minutes, so the roll holds shape during assembly, and lay 8 bacon slices slightly overlapping on plastic wrap to form a 10-inch mat. This creates an even fat layer for crisping. Brush 1 tablespoon maple syrup over the bacon to encourage caramelization, then place the chilled 10-inch meat log on top and use the plastic wrap to roll the bacon around the pork, sealing ends. Compress gently to remove air. Then refrigerate the wrapped roll for 20 minutes so it firms up and keeps its cylindrical shape during searing and baking. Heat a 10-inch skillet over medium-high and sear the bacon-wrapped roll for about 2 minutes per side to render fat and set the bacon surface. Transfer the seared roll to the prepared baking sheet and bake at 375 degrees F for 25 minutes. Check internal temperature aiming for 160 degrees F for pork safety. If you want extra crisping, broil for 2 minutes while watching closely. Rest the bacon roll 10 minutes. Slice into 1-inch rounds and serve with mustard or hot sauce for balance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.